Hey guys, can you solve 3 squared times 4 minus 10 divided by 2? Okay, 3 squared equals 3 times 3 equals 9, right? 9 times 4 minus 10 divided by 2. Now 9 times 4 equals 36 minus 10 divided by 2. Now 36 minus 10 equals 26 divided by 2, and 26 divided by 2 equals 13. This gives us 13, but this is wrong. After multiplication we must do division before subtraction, right? Now let's solve it correctly. 3 squared equals 9, right? 9 times 4 minus 10 divided by 2. Now multiply. 9 times 4 equals 36 minus 10 divided by 2. Now divide first. 36 minus 10 divided by 2 equals 5, and 36 minus 5 equals 31.